your first Christmas Classico, first time you're facing the team of your uncle, Tito, Johnny A. But then the way you played tonight, making that significant impact, sabi nga ni Coach, not just hitting big shots, but making the right decisions. Just share how do you feel right now, lalo na sabi mo before the game, you want to play well for the fans and to make the Abarientos fan proud?
First of all, I don't know, I think I just need to step up for Ginebra. And just like Coach Steve said, yung first half talagang struggle kami. I mean, not just me, not just Scotty, and lahat kami nag-start yung first half. But na-encourage kami kasi Christmas. So, lahat naman gustong manalo ng Christmas. So, lahat gustong umuwi ng panalo. Even si Tito, gusto niya umuwi ng panalo. So, lahat kami gustong umuwi ng panalo. But, yeah, sabi ko, Steve, NSD, never say die. So, kailangan namin pakita yung best namin sa crowd, lalo na ngayong may ilang Classico special to for Ginebra team. And especially for me kasi this is my first time playing sa Manila Classico and then with my uncle. So, very special for me and yeah, just para sa akin, lang to and looking forward to the next one.
Kamusta yung interaction mo today or kanina, 8 hours before the game? Kamusta yung conversation niya? Kamusta pa kayo?
Yeah, kamustahan lang. And yeah, kamustahan daw sa life, sa family namin, and then sa basketball. So, also dito sa Manila Classico, nag-uusapan din namin yung feeling na kamusta kapag binibigay yung best ko, yung feel niya, yung mga ganung moment. But, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa mga interviews, si Tito lagi nandiyan yan, to support me, like, father figure na yan sa akin, simula ng bata ko. So, grew up with my Tito, talagang cherish ko every moment. So, ngayon, nasa PBA na ako, bumalik ako, coming from international. Sobrang happy ako na nakalabang ko si Tito. And then, he always guide me, kahit sa bahay, kahit hindi sa basketball, nandiyan siya. So, very thankful ko na naging dito ko sa para sa akin.